Hey, good morning. I wanted to take a minute, talk to everybody kind of a little bit about the installation that I did in the building, just because I think now's a perfect time to prove that point. When I was building the shop, again, the shop's a pole barn that I enclosed, right? So when I was building the shop, I was trying to figure out, do I really need to insulate this thing? I'm only back here on the weekends, maybe once during the week, if I have time from work, or sometimes early mornings before I go to work. So I was like, I don't think I really need to insulate it for that. But then I started thinking about it. I was like, let me just insulate it. I'd rather have it, not have it. And after buying all the stuff that I was doing to build the place, I had some money left over in my budget. So I was like, well, I got money left over. Let me just throw a little extra on top and get the insulation done. And I'm so happy I did. I want to prove to you guys right now, if you look at that, it's 36 degrees here, 36 degrees outside. And inside the shop right now, I'd have to say it's probably, maybe 55 degrees. Like, it's not bad. I wore this hoodie just to get from outside my house, drive the 600 feet out here to my shop. So it is super cold outside, but in here it feels really good. So to me, I think it's very much worth it. One recommendation: a lot of people they just do blow-in insulation in the ceiling and that's it. I went a step further. I found this stuff called double foil bubble insulation. It basically looks like the packing bubble that you buy for your packages to ship them. And on both sides is what looks like aluminum foil pretty much, right? So what I did was on the ceiling, like where I did the framing obviously for the drywall, but where the metal roof screws down onto some beams, right, throughout the trusses, right? So that's what I have on top. What I did was all those trusses, between the trusses and the framing for the drywall, I completely went across the whole thing and covered it with that double foil insulation. So if the drywall was to come down right now and you looked up there, all you would see is foil between the framing and the ceiling. Like, you can't see the ceiling, the metal roofing at all. It's just straight foil the entire way. So I did that. After I did that, I had the drywall put up with the framing, obviously, and I left 3 spots between my trusses open for after they started doing drywall, and I hired an insulation company to go up into those 3 holes to do blow-in insulation. And I'm pretty sure I paid them for like 20 inches of insulation. I think is what I did. I think that's what it did, but it's like 18 or 20 inches of insulation. So I had all that blown in there on top of that. So I've got blown insulation and I've got the reflective double foil insulation. The double foil insulation, I'll tell you, when I first put it in, I went outside and outside was like 95 degrees that day or 96 degrees. And I've got a metal roof with the sun beaming down on it. So it's usually way hotter than that. I took a laser temp gauge, pointed it at the foil, and it read like 72. So I think I was getting like 20 degrees difference between the actual metal roof and the foil that I put in place. So, and in the walls, I did regular, insulation, roll bat insulation in the walls, and then so that's what I did. But I'm telling you, I highly recommend it. I think it was some extra money, obviously. Don't get me wrong, but to have it this temperature in here right now, I don't have my AC and my heaters. I don't have my air conditioning system and heater system installed yet. I'm going to in a couple months, but it is absolutely worth it. So I highly recommend you invest the money, even though we're down here in Florida. Days like today, it makes it absolutely worth it. So, if you're having doubts on whether that money's needed, to me, I like to be comfortable in my space. So to me, it was absolutely worth it. So I highly, highly recommend it. But definitely look into that double foil insulation if you've never seen it before. I'm telling you, that's what I have, and I absolutely am so happy that I did it, man. It's a big, big difference. So, all right, now on to the fun stuff. Thanks.